All right, so today we're going to be making our own sandpaper letter boxes at home. So you have a worksheet that has letters on some pages and pictures on the other pages. I asked you to print out and cut on the lines so that we could be ready. And I also asked you to have little containers or baggies for each letter for when we finish. All right, so if you don't have your worksheets printed out yet, you can follow along on the screen so you know how to do it later. I'm going to share with you the worksheet. Mine's going to look a little bit different because it's on the computer, but that's okay because we can still all do it together. See, is that Evelyn McKay is here? All right, so I have my pictures here. And then I also have my letters. So the first thing we're going to do, I see Jai is showing me her bags and Katie's cutting. The first thing we're going to do is sound out the letters. So let's see, Alicia doesn't have sound yet. So Grace, can you tell me what sound this one makes? You're right. With your finger, let's see if we can trace the f. I'm going to use a color just so that you can see. But with your finger, let's trace the f. So we're going to pretend that this color is my finger because it's on the computer. So the video won't see my finger if I use it. We're just going to use our fingers. After we finish this lesson, if you have sand at your house, you could put glue on the letter and some sand on top and make your own sandpaper letter. But for this activity, we're just going to keep the letters so that we can trace them with our fingers. Let's see, I need a volunteer to tell me this letter sound. Alicia, can you share this letter sound with me? Thank you, Alicia. Everybody, let's trace the t together. You can use your fingers. We don't want to color on these letters because if you put color on them, it'll be even more difficult to practice with them. So you can trace them with your fingers. Hi, Levi. I miss seeing you during circle time. Can you tell me what letter sound this makes? Do you know what sound this makes, Levi? You can't see it. Maybe if you take your sunglasses off, you can see it. Can you see what letter this is?
I don't know.
You don't know what letter sound it is? Let's ask a friend. Elise, what sound does this letter make?
E.
It's E. What sounds does it make? Does it say p, p, or eh, eh? Thank you, Elise. This makes the sound. It sounds like my dog wants to make the letter sounds too. He's being quite noisy. Let's go ahead and trace the sounds. For E. See if you can trace it with your finger. We have 2 more letters to sound out. Katie, can you tell me the sound that this letter makes?
R.
You're right. Let's go ahead and trace our Make sure you're tracing it with your finger. We don't want to trace it with a marker because then we can't use it over and over again. Some of you might have already mastered these letters, but it's still fun to work on them. And let's see, Jaya, can you tell me the sound that this letter makes? What sound does this letter make?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's see. I know Alicia has mastered the sandpaper letters. Alicia from Casa 2, can you tell us what sound this makes? Mmm. All right, let's trace the together. Alicia, I know you've mastered these, so if you'd like to move a little bit faster, you're more than welcome to. Mmm. Mmm. When you're done tracing with your fingers, we can go ahead and take a look at the pictures. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put all of our letters in front of us in their own stacks. That way they're separated. So I'm going to put my f in front of me, and in a different stack, I'm going to put my t. That way we can separate them. So you can put them in your bags if you want to, if you have your bags ready or your boxes. And then we're going to take a look at the pictures. And we're going to name the pictures, and we're going to put them with each letter. And then when we're done, we're going to color the pictures. So I'm going to wait just a moment so everybody can get ready. I see Katie separating her letters, Levi separating his letters. Just like when we do our sandpaper letters, when we do our sandpaper letter boxes, we put all of the letters by themselves, and then we put the objects on top of the letters. So we're going to do the same thing. Let's see. Levi, can you tell me what this is? A fox. So just like Levi said, we're going to put it with our I'm going to put it with my And remember, we're going to color these when we're done putting them in order. So first, we're going to put all of the objects with their letters, and then we're going to color them together. Let's see. Alicia, do you know what this is?
That is a zucchini.
Close. It's an eggplant. It's purple. So without the color, it looks like it could be a zucchini. But this is called an eggplant. Go ahead and put your eggplant with your e. Jaya, can you tell me what this is?
Campfire.
It's a fire. Does fire start with f or t?
Um,
Does it start with the f sound or the t sound? Fire. Yeah, the f sound. Thank you, Jaya. So I'm going to move my fire. Let's see. Alicia, can you find something that starts with the t sound? Does a flower start with the t sound, Alicia, from Casa 1? No, that starts with what about tree? Does that start with the t?
tree.
Yeah. Let's all move our tree to the t. Katie, can you choose our next picture?
Um,
Katie, look at the pictures on the screen. Which picture would you like to do next?
Flower.
The which one?
Flower.
The flower. Which letter do I put that with, Katie? Do I put it with the or the flower? Do I put it with the or the Thank you, Katie. Let's move our flower together. Grace, can you choose our next picture for us?
Yeah. I want envelope.
The envelope. What letter sound does envelope start with? Eh, eh. Thank you, Grace. So let's go ahead and move our envelope to the E with the eggplant. Evelyn McKay, would you like to choose the next picture with us? Would you like to choose it?
Yeah, me.
Okay. Yes? Can you come look at the screen and tell us which picture comes next, Evelyn?
I can see.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
She doesn't want anyone to look at her today.
Oh, okay. Do you want to say it from far away, Evelyn? Do you want to choose the elephant or the raccoon?
Raccoon.
The raccoon. Do you know what sound raccoon starts with?
What does it start with?
Raccoon. Whoa, whoa.
Thank you for your help, Evelyn. We're going to move our raccoon to the This is the first one. Let's remember what the looks like. Elise, will you choose our next picture for us?
No.
Which one?
No.
No, you don't want to choose the next picture? Okay. Alicia from Casa 2, would you like to choose the next picture?
Okay. How about telephone?
Telephone.
That's easy.
What sound does that start with, Alicia? Thank you, Alicia. We're going to move our telephone to the All right, I'll give us a moment. We'll go over what we have for fox, fire, flower, tree, telephone, eggplant, envelope, and raccoon. Let's see if we can find something that starts with Levi, can you find something that starts with for us? Maybe our mouse, our milk. Which one would you like, mouse or milk? Mouse. Let's move our mouse to the The next picture, Elise, can you tell me if rainbow starts with the or the t? Rainbow. Rainbow. Does it start with or a t? Is it a trainbow or a rainbow? Rainbow? Yeah, so it starts with the Let's go ahead and move our rainbow to the The next thing we're going to choose is the monkey. Monkey. Everybody move the monkey to the with me. We're going to see if we can move all of our objects to the correct letter so that we have a sandpaper letter box at home, just like we have at school. Evelyn, you look very comfy right now. All right, let's see. Jaya, can you choose our next object for us?
Milk.
Milk. Let's all move our milk to the with the monkey and the mouse. Levi, where did you go? I don't see you anymore. Alicia from Casa 1, can you tell us if tent starts with t or Where'd you go, Alicia from Casa 1?
Yes.
Maybe Levi can help us while we wait. Levi, does tent start with t or
T.
T. Can you move your tent to the t with me? All right, we only have a few more left. Let's go over what we have left. We have a truck, a mushroom, a ring, a frog, a turtle, a flag, an elephant, the earth, a ribbon, some rain, we have money, and we have an ear. Let's see. Grace, can you choose the next picture?
Yeah. I want ice.
Earth, earth. Let's move the earth to the E. Oh no, where did our earth go? There we go. All right, let's see who's next. Elise, can you tell me if frog starts with f or t? Thank you, Elise. Let's move our frog to the f. Let's see. What's next? Jaya, can you tell us which one comes next? Okay, so you'll be back, right? Okay, we'll see you in a minute, Jaya. Let's see. Alicia from Casa 1, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, which one do you want to do next?
Nhỏ nào cơ? Which one? This? This is what? This is what? Ring?
Ring.
Rain. Thank you, Alicia. We're gonna put the rain with the R. When we finish, we're gonna have lots of objects for our sandpaper letter boxes. Next, we're gonna do the money. Let's move the money to the We have just a few more left. Alicia, which one should we do next?
The elephant.
The elephant. Alicia, should I move this to the T or to the E?
To the E.
To the E. Let's move our elephant to the E. The E. Which one to do next? Elise, should I do the turtle or the flag?
The turtle.
The turtle. Let's move the turtle. At least, do I put the turtle with the or with the t?
With the t.
Thank you, Elise, for your help. Let's move our turtle. All right. Grace, which object should I choose next?
Ear.
Ear, the ear. Let's move it together to the E. Levi, which one should I choose next?
The dump truck.
The truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's move the truck to the T. We only have a few more left. Evelyn, would you like to choose another one or no more?
No more.
No,
Okay, perfect. Thank you for letting me know. Jaya, would you like to choose the next one?
Yes.
Yes, can you let me know which one? We have a mushroom, a ring, a ribbon, and a flag.
I want a flag.
The flag. Let's go ahead and move that to the together. All right, Alicia from Casa 2, would you like a mushroom, a ring, or a ribbon?
Ribbon.
Ribbon. Let's move that to the together.
I'm gonna do that.
Thank you, Alicia. Let's see. Levi, should we do the mushroom or the ring? Levi, should we do the mushroom or the ring?
I'm mad.
You're mad? I'm sorry. Do you want to choose one or do you want to wait?
I was gonna do the ribbon.
Oh, that's okay. You still can color the ribbon. Do you want to choose the ring or the mushroom?
Ring.
The ring. Thank you for your help, Levi. Sometimes other people choose the ones that we'd like to do, but at least we're all doing our work together, right? All right, we have one left. Let's move the mushroom to the All right, so let's go over the ones that we have. Kind of make it so we can see all of the letters. All right. So for we have a fox, a fire, a flag, a flower, and a frog. For we have a tree, a tent, a telephone, a turtle, and a truck. For we have an elephant, the earth, an envelope, an ear, and an eggplant. For we have a ring, some rain, a raccoon, a ribbon, and a rainbow. For we have some milk, some mushrooms, a monkey, a mouse, and some money. Now that we put them all in order, we get to do the really fun part. We get to color them. So we can color them. And then when you're done coloring them, you can put them in a bag or a box so that you can do them again. I think everybody in this group has had a lesson on how to do the sandpaper letter boxes. You take out your letters and then you match the objects to the letter sounds. So we can go ahead and color some of our objects. That way, we can see what they look like. When you color the flag, remember the flag has red and white stripes. For most of them, you can color them whatever color you would like, but some of them have specific colors. We know that frogs are green, and we know what our American flag looks like. Some fruits and vegetables we have to color the same color too. Like when we get to for eggplant. Our eggplant is purple. Eggplants are normally a dark purple. I don't have a dark purple color with me, so I'm going to color it this color purple. And our earth has colors too, right? The water can be blue. You can color the continents the same color as on our colored painted globe, or you can color them green because they're land. On our sandpaper globe, they look kind of yellowy too because they have sand on them. I hope you guys have fun with your sandpaper letter boxes and that you keep working on them and coloring them. If you want to, and if you have sand at your house, you can put glue and sand on your letters to make them look just like the sandpaper letters. Or you can just leave them the same as they are now and use your fingers to trace them. Bye, everybody.